What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another channel. It's 12:52 a.m. But who cares? We're gonna still do a video this time. As you can tell, I got put in some video as a meme. Well, it was actually pretty funny though, but made by Obsessive Trains. Really accurate. So he said also this wasn't actually me because I wasn't featured in this part. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'll do more of these reaction videos. So let's get right into the videos. Cheers. Okay, okay. Before we begin the video, when the video legit starts, I'm already here. Like legit, just don't get that Tangara, the SR livery. Yes, that's my username on Roblox. Oh, we got say my name chasing Brad. Oh, no, Brad. Bruh, I love that. Obsessive Trains, thank you for creating this video. It was actually pretty funny, a bit hilarious though. I just loved how I was like cloned in this game, and I was trying. Anyways, guys, go shout out to Obsessive Trains for putting me in one of his videos and making it like a skit. So shout out to him. Go subscribe to him. Get him to 900. And yeah, I think that was gonna be all because basically it was a reaction video. It was a really small video, but it was actually good. I liked it. I like how I was in it, like me just doing it, me hearing that what that announcement is. Anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry if it's making like a short video. Thank you, Obsessive Trains, for putting me in these videos. These are really interesting, and do more. And see you later, guys. Bye.